Hello everyone, this is Aishwarya A, pursuing 6th semester in a Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today, I am going to present on a subject microwave and antenna, and the subject code is 18EC63. So, today I am going to present on a topic H-plane T-junction. So, first of all, what is H-plane T-junction? This H-plane T-junction is also called as shunt T, as the axis of the side arm is parallel to the magnetic field. This junction is called as H-plane T-junction. This is also called as current junction, as the magnetic field divides itself into two arms. Now, let us see the derivation of H-plane T-junction. The H-plane T-junction is formed when the rectangular slot is cut along the width of the waveguide and the side arm is attached into the slot. This part is called as port 1 and this portion is called as port 2 and this portion is called as port 3. The port 1 and the port 2 arms are called as collinear arms or collinear ports, and the port 3 is also called as side arm or H arm. So now we can see the characteristics of H-plane T-junction here. Because of the plane of symmetry, the power fed into the port 3 gets equally divided between the port 1 and the port 2. Here you can see the plane of symmetry that is cut between the port 1 and the port 2. Therefore, S31 is equals to S32. This is called as equation 1. Now, let us assume the port 3 is perfectly matched. Then S33 is equals to 0. This is also one of the characteristic of H-plane T-junction. So we can call it as equation 2. From the symmetric property, Sij is equals to Sji. This is, we can call it as equation 3. Here we can see the S matrix. It is of the order 3 cross 3 and the S matrix is given by S matrix is equals to S11, S12, S13, S12, S22, S13, 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 0. Because S21 is equals to S12 as we seen in the characteristics of the H plane. S21 is equals to S12. This is of symmetric property, and S23 is equals to S32, which is equals to S31 and S13. This come under the symmetric property of the H plane. So, from the unitary property, S into S star is equals to U. So, S matrix we are writing here, and it is given by S11, S12, S13, S12, S22, S13, 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 0. It is multiplied with S11 star, S11, S12 star, so on, which is equal to the identity matrix of order 3 cross 3. So, consider the row 1 of and the column 1. Here we are considering row 1 and the row 1 here and the column 1 in the second matrix. So, we are multiplying it S11 into S11 star plus S12 into S12 star plus S13 into S13 star, which is equals to 1 in the identity matrix. So after multiplication, we are squaring it, and S11 square plus S12 square plus S13 square, which is equals to 1. We can call it as equation 4. Here, considering the row 2 and the column 2, here row 2 and the column 2. So S12 into S12 star plus S22 into S22 star plus S13 into S13 star, which is equals to 1. So here we can call this equation as equation 5. So considering row 3 and the column 3, here we are getting S13 into S13 star plus S13 into S13 star plus 0 is equals to 1. S13 whole square plus S13 whole square is equals to 1. Here we are getting 2S13 whole square is equals to 1. Therefore, the value of S13 is equals to 1 divided by square root of 2. This we can call it as equation 6. To get the fourth equation, consider the column 2 and the row 3. So S13 into S11 star plus S13 into S12 star is equals to 0. Call it as equation 7. Comparing the equation 4 and 5, we are getting S11 is equals to S12. Call it as equation 8. Here from the equation 7, S13 is into S11 plus S12 star is equals to 0. Here we are taking S13 common. S12 star is equals to minus S11 star, where S13 is not equal to 0. Therefore, it becomes S12 is equals to minus S11. Call it as equation 9. Using equation 9 and equation 6 in equation 4, we will get S11 square plus S11 square plus 1 by square root of 2 whole square is equals to 1. Here 2 into S11 square is equals to 1 divided by 2. S11 is equals to 1 by 2. The value of S11 here is 1 by 2. Therefore, S12 is equals to minus S11 is equals to minus 1 by 2. Therefore, S22 will become S11 is equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, the value of S11 is 1 by 2. Value of S12 is minus 1 by 2. Value of S13 will become 1 by root 2. S22 is equals to 1 by 2. Here we are writing the S matrix and the corresponding values here. Here B is equals to S into A. So here B is B1, B2, B3. Here value of the S matrix and A1, A2, A3. So B1 is equals to multiplying the first row and the first column. Therefore, it becomes 1 by 2 into A1 minus 1 by 2 into A2 plus 1 by root 2 into A3. So, B2 is equals to multiplying the second row and the column minus 1 by 2 into A1 plus 1 by 2 into A2 plus 1 by root 2 into A3. Here, B3 is equal to multiplying the third row and the column 1 by 2 into A1 plus 1 by 2 into A2 plus 0 into A3 will become 0. Therefore, P1 is the opposite microwave power coming out of the port 1. Here, P2 is called as the opposite microwave power coming out of port 2. And the P3 is input of the microwave power applied at the port 3. Then P3 is equals to P1 plus P2. Therefore, input is equals to output of the port 1 and port 2, which is equals to 2P1, which is, or it can also be written as 2 into P2. Therefore, the ratio of the power P1 and the P2 is expressed as 10 log to the base 10 1 P1 divided by P3, which is equal to 10 into log to the base 10 P1 divided by 2P1, which is equal to 10 into log to the base 10 of the value of the P1 is 1 by 2. Like value of P1 by P1 here get cancelled, P1 and P1. Here we will get 1 by 2. Therefore, the value of this will become minus 3 dB. Therefore, 3 dB drawn power comes out of the port 1 and the port 2 when the power is fed in the H arm. When the input power is fed in the H arm, that is port 3, 3 dB power will come out of port 1 and the port 2. Here port 1 and port 2 we can call it as output ports. Thank you for watching.